To get started, when you're connected to the internet before your event, go to the VBO Touch app, then select the menu tab in the top left. From here, go down to Events, and then select your event and event date. Once selected, select the menu button in the top left. Scroll down to Setup. Under Setup, scroll down to Scanner Setup and select Offline. Now select Download Data. At this point, you're ready to begin scanning. So select the menu tab in the top left and go to Scan. At the end of your event, go back to the menu tab in the top left, go down to Setup, and once you're connected to internet again, you're going to go to Scanner Setup and select Upload Data. Once you've done that, the data has been synced to the online server. To finish and put your app back into online mode, select Online
Okay. Dan has a key. Dan has a key.
and exit the app.
Awesome. You got it.